car is very muscular. The gas pedal, you really have to put pressure on it. And the brakes take a lot of effort to slow the car down. It's a period hot rod. You know, it's fitted with a Cadillac engine like they would have done at the time. Got a 5-speed gearbox. It's powerful. Makes a good sound. Real 50s V8. I noticed that speedometer's not working, but we do have the tach is good, and all the rest of the gauges are working and reading well. The faster you drive this car, the nicer it gets. Phil, I've driven a fair number of Kaiser Darrins, and I'd call them kind of a harmless little sports car with that small 6-cylinder engine. But you know, when I put my foot into this one, yow, different world.
What's underneath the hood?
It's a 1954 Cadillac V8, 330 cubic inch, 240 horsepower.
Did they do that in period?
No. The original engine was an inline 6 made by Continental, topped out at 161 cubic inches and 90 horsepower. At the end of the production run, they couldn't sell the last 25 or so. Darrin put Cadillac engines in, at least 6 of them, and spent the next 3 years marketing them.
30,000, thank you. Would you bid me 40 anywhere in the room now? At 40,000, thank you. At 40,000, now 50, thank you. 50,000, would you bid me 60,000? 60,000, ladies bid at 60,000. 70,000, thank you. At 70,000, 80,000, 80,000. Do I have 90 now? On my left, at 90,000. On the right, at 90,000. 100,000 I've taken. At 100,000, 110, thank you. $115,000. Do I have 120, sir? $120,000. $125,000 on my left. Do I have 130, sir? 5, absolutely. There he is, 135,000 on my left. And 140 now, at 140. And 5 again. 145,000, thank you. On my left, front row. All finished, are you sure? Sold, there he is, 145,000.